Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Today we are doing cherry chocolate brownie. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 388 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 minutes before baking. Beat eggs with sugar and vanilla essence until they are pale yellow. Now melt butter and chocolate chips in a pan or use a microwave for 50 watts for 25 seconds. Mix the melted chocolate with egg mixture. Blend well on low speed or use a spoon. Sift in flour with cocoa powder, which is optional to add cocoa powder. Mix with a spoon or spatula. A shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your precious time and continuous support. At this point, if you mix with hand blender, mix at low speed. Remember, this is fast forwarded. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you choose to stay. In a baking pan, add half thawed cherries to the bottom and leave some for later. Then add the batter. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Level the batter. Then top it up with the leftover cherries. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Bake for 20 minutes for moist texture, 30 to 32 minutes for doneness. Cutting the brownie, wipe the knife in between. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. Would you try this recipe? It was so delicious and it is moist and rich. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.